Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss joint pain, cold damp intrusion. In cold damp intrusion, pain in the human body mostly occurs in joints with two major reasons. First is overwork or sprain due to carelessness. Second, is intrusions by such exterior evil elements as wind, cold, heat, dampness, and dryness, leading to the blockage of vital energy and blood. Pain of these kinds is also called arthromyopenia, according to Chinese medicine, with the influence of intrusion by the cold damp being obvious. According to Chinese medicine, the cold damp includes two aspects, that is, the cold and dampness caused by exterior evil elements and innate cold and dampness. The cold damp leading to joint pain are mainly caused by exterior evil elements, which block the circulation of vital energy and blood, resulting in pain in joints and tendons as commonly seen symptoms. In daily life, being often exposed to the environment of the cold damp is an important factor for those suffering from cold damp and joint pain. For instance, people would suffer from soreness and pain in forelimbs due to the intrusion of dampness if they directly sleep on the floor, which contains heavy dampness because of the precipitation of water in the air. Moreover, people would suffer from cold damp if they wear damp clothes, stay in an air-conditioned room with sweat, or expose their skin in cold weather. Joint pain due to damp cold is chiefly manifested by joint pain in forelimbs, sore and painful neck and shoulders, scapulohumeral periarthritis, sore and painful waist and back. The more the painful areas are and the longer the time is, the heavier the cold damp is in the body. We can see in the figure, unhealthy habits in daily life cause dampness to enter the body, leading to joint pain. In gua sha, can penetrate main and collateral channels and expel cold damp. Since joint pain is caused by the blockage of main and collateral channels, as well as the circulation of energy and blood, gua sha is a simple and effective way of dredging them. Joint pain relies either on the dredging of main and collateral channels or the stoppage of the intrusion of the cold damp at their sources. In normal circumstances, the human body is endowed with Wei Qi, which serves to block exterior evil elements. It originates from yang energy. Strong yang energy can nurture inner human organs while preventing exterior evil elements from intruding the human body. Wind, cold, and dampness will take advantage of the human body if yang energy is deficient, resulting in the blockage of vital energy and blood, as well as main and collateral channels, followed inevitably by joint pain. Therefore, the fundamental way of preventing the cold damp from intrusion is invigorate, consolidate, and protect yang energy in the body. Through benign stimulation of skin, gua sha enables the human body to be full of yang energy to enhance the body's ability of expelling evil elements. That is how defensive energy is enhanced through gua sha. Thank you for your attention.